FARO RevEng 2020 Repair Mesh Tool. In this video, we will show you how to repair the defects of a mesh model using FARO RevEng 2020. To open the Mesh Repair tool, select the corresponding model in the Project panel and click the Repair command from the Mesh menu. After an initial computation, the Repair Mesh tool automatically identifies different types of mesh problems and shows them in the 3D viewer with different colors. To visualize the problem coloring, open the Viewer Options panel and make sure that the selected color mode is native. You can enable or disable fixing of different types of problems from the left panel. For the detected problems, small connected components of the mesh are shown in orange. Small holes are shown in purple. Spiked vertices are shown in yellow. These regions normally correspond to flipped triangles or irregularities. Skinny elements or near degenerate triangles are shown in cyan. You can configure the repairing parameters by setting the size of the small components, the size of the small holes, and the crease angles for the detection of the spiked vertices. Click Fix Problems to automatically repair detected issues. Larger holes in the model can be completed by using the Holes Filling tool or by adding more scan data to the current project. Click Done to finalize the Repair Mesh tool and return to home mode.